Central Excise Day, an unknown name. To become aware of the Central Excise Day and its 8 facts, subscribe to my channel We Make Aware. So let's start the video. The Central Excise Day is celebrated every year to commemorate the Central Excise and Salt Act, which was enacted on 24th February 1944. The day was also historic for the reason that the 14th Finance Commission had recommended an unprecedented hike in the state's share of central taxes by 10 percentage points from 32% to 42%, which is a move in the direction of cooperative federalism. Central Excise Department plays a stellar role in contributing to the nation building and economic development. The Central Excise Board is a government agency responsible for administrating matters related to customers, central excise service and tax, and narcotics. The 8 facts of Central Excise. Number 1. The Central Excise is one of the oldest departments of India established by Britishers in 1855. Number 2. The Central Excise Act of 1944 was known as the Central Excise and Salt 1944 before the year 1996. Number 3. Earlier there were only 67 items mentioned in the original act on which excise duty lived, but now the number is in thousands. Number 4. At present, Central Excise Department has 23 zones, 100 commissioners, 460 divisions and 2614 ranges for tax collection and law enforcement activities. Power to arrest was given to the Central Excise officers in 1973 by Union government, whereas power to arrest in service tax matters was given in 2013. Number 6. Central Excise Department has won the Best Anti-Smuggling Agency of India prize, maximum time beating other government agencies like BSF, ED, NCB, Income Tax, ITBP, etc. The term excise means to cut and is a Latin word that means inland tax. Number 8. Central Excise has turned into a crucial wellspring of the budgetary advancement of the nation for better financial improvement in India.